Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, let's talk about how to fix network problem, high ping, and packet loss in Valorant. So this is going to be the working method, and I have, I think, 6 to 7 steps for you guys. Let's start with the first one. So physically, this is going to be manual labor. Restart your router and modem. Basically, unplug your modem and router from the power source and wait at least 60 seconds. And that's it. Next one, use the wired connection. Please do not use Wi-Fi or wireless connection while you're playing games, especially if you're using multiplayer mode. That really slows down on your gameplay, and trust me, it's really frustrating. So LAN cable, Ethernet cable is the one to go through for this one. Close background applications, you can do this one by going to Task Manager, like this one right here, and close anything that's not really working or really helping. And tip for you guys, Google Chrome always eats up a lot of space. A lot of background applications, so I suggest if you're running Google Chrome on the background, eliminate them, remove them, basically. For example, this one, BlueStacks, I can basically click on End Test right there, and BlueStacks will not be working anymore on the background. And that's it. Next up, we have set Valorant to high priority. I actually do this on my game, so to do this one, basically go back on Task Manager, and with this right there, look for the one that says right-click on Valorant and go to Details, right-click again and set to priority. Now, for example, on Details right here, let's just say we have Valorant, right? Even though I do not have Valorant, I'm gonna click on Nori here. Let's pretend this is Valorant. Right-click on there, and basically for this one, you can set the priority on real-time, high, above normal, and the works. And that's how you do it, real-time. Next up, change your DNS. Actually, this is not really working. However, some of the time it works. I don't trust this one all the way, but I always do want to give you everything. So Windows R, type this one right here, this code, and press enter. Right click on your connection and properties and click on the Internet Protocol version 4. This is how it should look like. That would be view internet connections. Let me just click on this one right here. Let me just go back here. I'm just going to go here and click on click enter. I'm going to follow the instructions right there. I'm going to click here and click on that one right there. Click on OK. And wait for it to pop up. This is what we have. So this is how it says properties right here. Look for version 4, click on properties, and change your preferred DNS in here with 8844, and that's it. That should do it. Moreover, restart your PC after resetting your DNS. Now step 6, enable game mode in Windows. Game settings, and then game mode. That would be settings right there on your Windows. Let me just go here. Settings right there. Look for the one that says gaming. As you can see right here, make sure this is properly enabled. Alright? Next up, use Valorant's preferred server option. So open Valorant, go to settings, general, and matchmaking. Select the servers with the lowest ping manually. If you're going to be from the C Asia servers, for example, on my end, I'm going to be in the Philippines, Hong Kong, and I think C is going to be the one to go through. That's the lowest ping. And step 8, update network drivers. Now this is going to be not really good because to update your network drivers, I suggest going to the website itself. For example, right here, let me open up this one. I'm running AMD right now, so that would be AMD drivers. That would be AMD drivers update. And go to the website itself and download the designated drivers and update it from here. If you want to update it manually, just go to the Windows Device Manager. Should be looking like this one right here. And basically click on Network Adapters and update your DNS here. And that's going to be it. Next up, flush DNS cache. I actually love this one. It really clears out my cache. So open the command prompt as administrator. That would be this one right here. Command right there as an administrator. And basically type in the following commands right here and restart your PC afterwards. Now lastly, contact your ISP or internet service provider or use a VPN optional. I use VPN for exit lag to remove any lag moreover on my game. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye for now.